Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make colloidal silica, a versatile material with numerous applications. Colloidal silica is essentially a stable dispersion of extremely fine silica particles in a liquid, typically water. We will explore a simple, accessible method for its preparation, focusing on key steps and necessary precautions. Understanding this process will allow you to create your own colloidal silica for various uses. Before we begin, gathering the right materials and prioritizing safety are paramount. You will need a sodium silicate solution, commonly called water glass, as your primary silicon source. Additionally, a mineral acid like hydrochloric or sulfuric acid will be essential for the reaction. Remember to always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to shield your skin and eyes from potential irritation during the process. Now, let's walk through the simple preparation steps. First, dilute your sodium silicate solution with distilled water to achieve a suitable concentration. Next, slowly and carefully add the mineral acid to this diluted silicate while continuously stirring. This gradual addition helps prevent the formation of unwanted silica gel. Crucially, maintain the solution's pH level between 8 and 10 throughout the process for optimal and stable particle growth. To achieve the best results, consider these helpful tips. You can influence the final particle size by carefully adjusting the reaction temperature and the concentrations of your starting materials. Colloidal silica has diverse applications. It can enhance the strength of concrete, improve paper manufacturing, and serve as an effective binder in various industries. For long-term stability, store your prepared colloidal silica at approximately 20 degrees Celsius.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.